Hey, Kat. They're here. You know how to remember how to work that camera?
You know, get out. Oh.
It's on the chair there. Oh, just relax.
Why don't you go ahead and do it? I was going to take digital pictures.
Oh, okay.
You got enough room to walk by, Bobby?
I don't know.
Danny. Yeah, Jeff. What are you doing, Big Daddy? Coming to play with the boys? Has he even seen this thing yet? No.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. That's not normal. Good.
Alright, come on.
Come on, Mom.
Come on, this way. Got something to show you. Slow down now. Got something to show you guys.
Look, there's Bobby. There's Garrett.
This car? No. No.
That's where I do one.
That's mine. I got another pickup.
No.
Got something to show you. Yeah, here. That's not it. Who are those people? He's gonna look right in the camera.
And Darren, Dad.
There's your grandson, Darren.
Grandson. Hi, son.
Hey, Dad.
Huh?
We got something to show you.
And there's Alice,
There's
and there's
Alice.
Kat. Hi.
You get over on this side.
Are you? Hey, look at here. Oh, and here's Kat. How are you, Dad?
This is, Mom. Check it out.
Okay.
All right, Dad. Remember this, Dad?
Remember this?
Here's your Hemi Cuda.
Hemi Cuda?
Yeah, it's yours. Yours and Mom's. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Isn't that thing beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's your Hemi Cuda, Dad.
Hey, how come all of a sudden cars?
Go stand in the light.
Come here. Come on.
Come on, Mom.
Sure doesn't look like anything like it did at home.
Go stand next to his Mom.
Yeah.
Here.
Come on.
Come on, let's look at
Stand
it.
next to Mom. Okay, that's your car.
This is yours.
Remember Fredericks? Jim Fredericks gave this to you. For getting them in the 200-mile-per-hour club.
Hey, what do you mean?
Jim gave you this. This lived.
I get out of the way. That's it,
This
dude.
was up on our property in Las Molinas.
It was in your garage. It was black.
Remember?
Sit in it.
Sit in it.
Yeah.
You want to go racing?
You can't drive it.
No, I don't want to go racing.
Can you get in there? There you go.
The key out of it, Kenny?
Huh?
The key out of it?
They won't dodge.
You can't turn it over? You might turn the key.
They won't. The batteries unplugged.
Okay. Battery's unplugged.
Got the pistol grip shifter, Dad?
Is that 4 on the floor or what? Is that a floor or what? Is that a... Honey, we've been waiting for this.
God created
Somebody.
something for this
Yeah.
family.
Yeah. We
Yes.
got it restored.
You can.
I'm gonna get out.
I
Okay.
don't blame you.
You thank Kathy and Alice and all the women in our family and all your kids and your grandkids for helping you get this restored, okay? You started the engine.
What's the engine in it?
It's your Hemi.
Hemi?
Yeah.
Hemi what?
426 Hemi.
426.
The last Hemi you ever built.
The last Hemi you ever built.
There she is, Dad.
And all your boys have helped on it.
Hemorrhoid.
And all the women.
That's it. Yeah, it's a hemorrhoid.
That's enough.
Hey, they're easier to work on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
pretty?
a sweetheart.
Doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
You couldn't ever finish anything for yourself, so we finished it for you.
The boys all finished it.
You couldn't finish anything for yourself because you did everybody else's stuff, so we did it for you.
Oh, I appreciate it. It's beautiful.
Isn't that nice?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. That's the same hood that was all ruined. That's the same hood that I worked on.
Is that right?
Yeah, it had about 300 hours in it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Where did all this work go?
Well,
Where did you do it at?
Kathy and Quinn.
Up in Diamond Springs.
up the road here.
Up Highway 50.
It's beautiful, boys.
Isn't that nice?
Kathy.
Gorgeous.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Look, Dad, it's got the hockey puck sticker on there. It says Hemi. Hey. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Hey, Bob.
Yeah, I don't want
This is the one that we because I live with you. We lived together for 57 years, but we've been together 58.
Yep.
Yeah. And these are our boys.
Huh?
These are our boys. Did they turn out fine?
Yes, this is a hell of a family. Take my hat off to you.
Isn't that nice?
Oh. Whose truck is this?
Bobby's.
Bobby's?
Yeah.
Where's Bobby? He isn't there.
Right here.
Right here.
Oh.
He's here.
How soon we forget.
He's here.
Oh, you were behind the camera.
Nice to see you, Pop. I don't get to see you enough anymore because I live so far away. You know?
You live too far away.
500 miles.
A hemorrhoid.
Mm-hmm.
See, he always talked like that.
Yeah.
That's what weren't too some of the. What can I do for you, Kat? Oh, I'll watch it.
I've owned that green
Yeah.
for 39 years, Dad. Had this for 39 years.
You mean this sticker?
Oh, the motorcycle. Had it for 39 years since I was 15 years old. Crazy, huh?
Yeah.
That's right.
Was this one? Where did you get this?
I got it from a guy in Bellflower, Vietnam vet.
Where do you? I know he gets to that thing so foul.
Got back to Vietnam,
What?
turned hippie.
Oh, the
They had no furniture in the house. He did everything laying on the, sitting on the
Oh.
part of it.